Hi everyone, it's Kristina from Kristina's Art Corner. I have two books I'm really excited to have received. One I purchased and one was a gift. So I figured I would do flip throughs on both. So the first one that I'm gonna flip through is Minimania 3 by Gabi Wolf. And the very lovely Monica, aka Monitoes 8 on Instagram, gifted this to me. So thank you so much, Monica. So excited. This was on my wish list. I like this page where this book belongs to. That's cute. Oh, look at this house. Look how adorable that is. Oh, cute. I love these little characters. They're so darling. Oh, look at that. Oh, look how adorable. One as cute as the next. Oh, I love the book pages. Oh gosh. Got some minis here. This looks like a boat. Look at all these buttons. Very nice job they did there. Look how sweet. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one's cute. That would be fun with some gel pens. Get the strawberries. He's pulling a cart of strawberries. Oh, we have some jar pages. Those are always nice. Oh, look at this with a creek or a river. Or it could even be a pond and they're on an island. So cute. Look at the bathing suits. Oh my gosh. How adorable. All of these are just so cute. It's rare to find a book that you want to color every page. But these books are like that for me. Very cute. Rooftop gardening. There's a teapot. Oh, look how cute. It's strapped to the moth. Oh, how darling. Look at all their little faces. Taking pictures. Here begins the second part. This gives you the opportunity to color the pictures again through colors or other techniques. So this has all of the same pages, but in a lighter version. Personally, I like the darker version, but maybe I'll color a lighter one to see. Color test page in the back. And there is Gabi Wolf. And here are all her books. I don't have the mandalas or daydreams. I think I have one of the Wonder Worlds. I have at least one or two of the Houses books. And 1, 2, and now 3 of Minimania. Thank you to Monica That is the Minimania number 3. And the next one, which is matching my mat here, is R.J. Hampson's new one, Around the World, a Mr. Fogherty coloring book. Around the World. Have a nice clock there. They're having some card play there. Bare Essentials. Look at that, balls. Got the train station. And the snail's having some lunch with them in Paris. The Orient Express. Oh, that's weird. Look at that. That's strange. Huh. I've not seen one like that before. Maybe I'll go ahead and give it a cut. I have this thing that cuts. Let's try it out. No, that one's not working. Okay, let's make it even. Or close to it. And then see if it works. It's so strange, isn't it? Okay, let's try this again. Let's see here. I fixed it some anyway, I think. I think I made it worse, not better. That's very strange. All right, so we have the Orient Express, the Alpine Way, Venice. He's doing some sketching there with some inks. The Promenade. Customs Office. Pharaoh's Fishing Follies. Look. It's a big fish. Spot of Sightseeing. Coracle Castaways. Pangolin Palanquin. Tea for Two. That one's cute. Look at her dress. Late. Uh-oh, missed the boat. Together again. Get all the animals. Japan. Got a cute little turtle. Steam Power, another train. But he's running it. Over the Plains. New York. The Art of Flight. Love coloring hot air balloons. Captain's Challenge. Huzzah! Home at last. Boy, that always does feel good when you get home from travel. The second set of pages begins here. Designed with 2 copies of each illustration, the second part of the book contains duplicates and subtle changes and black backgrounds added to give you unique coloring experiences. So let's go back and do a couple of comparisons. So on the clock, we don't have the pipe here or the grasshopper, and we have flowers in the vase where we don't here. And then this one, you have the black background, you have a mosaic tile in here, and the mouse is serving backwards. The characters are the same, and you have one less bottle here. And then this one, so we have a moon here, and we have suitcases rather than mushrooms, and a jar with a little like tadpole in there. Again, suitcase instead of the mushrooms, and a lamppost instead of flowers. So there are quite a few differences on many of them. Let's see about this one. You got your black background. This one looks very much the same, just black background from what I can tell. And then here we have clouds. Here we don't. Different characters here. I think that's about the only change. And then here on the Orient Express, they have a night scene through the window. And they have the little mouse friend here. It's about the only difference I can see is it's a different scene in the window there and the character. Let's see about the Alpine. We have the black background sky, and we have a cow here, we have a deer here. And then let's see the next one. In Venice, we have the black background. This part is different. The design. We have ivy on this one. We have a bird where we don't here. So yeah, there's subtle changes here in the back. So you can decide what is it that you want to color, which illustrations. So that is R.J. Hampson's Around the World. I hope you enjoyed these flip throughs. I'm so excited about both of these books. I hope you are too. I hope you all have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. You all take care. Bye-bye.